Thought about doing your birthday at the beach? Well, stay tuned because we're going to show you some fun things to do. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're celebrating one of our friends' birthdays, and we want to show you what it's like to celebrate your birthday down here at the beach. So what we let our friends do is they get to choose one activity, and our friend chose this place. And as you can tell, I'm dressed kind of crazy because they also get to pick a theme, and their theme this birthday wish was flamingos. Look at these beautiful ladies. And as you can tell, the whole crew, beatbox, Blake, and there's Hal and Julie. Well, everyone and the birthday boy were all dressed in flamingos. All right, so just like everything up here, you have to start with signing a waiver at the kiosk, and you must obey all posted signs and warnings, and you have to wear closed-toe shoes. So just remember that. Don't forget your tennis shoes. So it looks like they may have a snack bar here with a little snack bar area. That's all the carts getting ready. And you do have to wear a helmet. And they even have some games that you can play. Here comes Mike. And there's Beatbox. Do it, Beatbox! And they're off.
I tell you, all I can tell you is the Pennzoil Chevrolet, it really done good out there today. You know, I got to give all the credit to my team, racing team. You know, we had some good pit stops and everything, and the Lord looked down on us today. And, you know.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, that's right. You have it. The next stop is Dick's
right here in North Myrtle Beach at Barefoot Landing.
Here we go. Y'all ready? Ah! Right here at Dick's Last Resort. Here we go. Woohoo! Hey! What up? The menu, just in case if you decide to come here one day, you'll already know what you want to eat. We're in the healthy kick, and I decided to go with the pork chops. Look at that. That is delicious. Don't those look good, B-Box?
It does, very good.
And I also got a house salad, and B-Box got a house salad as well. Alrighty, and you know, they have some crazy hats. You probably can't see it. That's probably good.
So I got the grilled chicken and the string beans. But I should have got the pork chops. Look how big they are.
You know I'll share. And they are delicious. Oh my goodness. They're nicely grilled. And they got some kind of seasoning on them, and they are very tasty.
All right. Well, there you have it. There was a look right here in North Myrtle Beach at what you can do for your birthday.
And boy, did we have an awesome time. Our friends enjoyed it, and we really got a lot of attention with the flamingos. And we also went to the go-kart place, which was called
K1.
Oh, yeah. That was fun.
The race car.
That was fun. And Dick's Last Resort, I'm going to tell you, they have really stepped up the food. It was delicious.
It's a lot better than it was last time.
It was. We came about, 5-6 years ago maybe. And, you know, the food was but I got the grilled pork chops, and they were amazing. Yeah, look, here's our waitress right here with a little rude self.
Come on over here.
Hey, we're telling them to come on down
How are you
here
doing?
and say,
What's your
hey.
name?
Danielle.
Danielle. This is Danielle. So when you get down here to Dick's Last Resort, come see Danielle.
Well, we enjoyed it, Danielle.
Good
job.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
yes,
you.
ma'am.
There you have it. So you can come right in here and get your birthday on, right?
Yes, right.
So we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. And if you do decide to come down here for your birthday, check us out and let us know.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
And make sure you hit that like button to show the love. All right. Until next time, keep beaching. And see you in the next video. Happy birthday. ever thought about? Hold on. I got pizza. I got stuff in my mouth. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You do?
No. Let me see.
Looks like on my top lip.
Yeah, you're lucky you ate a chicken.
Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're celebrating. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
2.
That's right. So just be careful because she is kind of rude.
Hard.
She did. That's what we pay her for. Hey.
In North Myrtle Beach.
That's right. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're right here and closing. Wait, we gotta start all over. All right, go.
All right, hold on.
Ready?
Sorry, Mike. I was getting prepared. Oh my God.